Did you know that 85% of videos on social media are watched without sound? Crazy, right? That's why today I'm going to show you exactly where to use dynamic captions to not only boost your views, but also skyrocket engagement on your videos. Let's dive right in. First, what are dynamic captions? Unlike standard subtitles, dynamic captions are visually engaging. Standard subtitles, also known as closed captions, CC, are text overlays that display spoken dialogue and sound effects on screen. They can be enabled or disabled by the viewers using the CC button in the video players, like the one on YouTube. This feature allows viewers to control whether they want to see the captions, which is especially useful for accessibility, language learning, or watching videos in sound-sensitive environments. However, these subtitles are usually uniform in style, lacking the emphasis and the movement that dynamic captions offer. Dynamic captions, on the other hand, are integrated into the video itself, meaning the viewers cannot toggle them on or off. They are designed to highlight specific words, change colors, or even animate to match the tone of the content. This makes them more visually appealing and engaging, but they don't offer the same flexibility and accessibility options as standard subtitles, which are essential for many users. Why does this matter? Statistics show that captions increase video view time by 12% and improve engagement by up to 80%. That's huge. Remember, most videos on social media are watched without sound, and captions make your content stand out in a busy feed. Now let's talk about where to use dynamic captions for maximum engagement. First, Instagram and Facebook. Captions here can make or break your video. These platforms autoplay videos without sound, so dynamic captions are essential for grabbing attention. Next up is TikTok and YouTube Shorts. These are all about quick, snappy content, and dynamic captions can keep your viewers hooked by highlighting the key phrases in real time. For longer videos like YouTube tutorials or vlogs, captions increase accessibility and reach a wider audience. Many people watch long-form content while multitasking, so captions help retain their attention. Finally, if you're creating webinars or online courses, dynamic captions not only make your content more engaging, but also help viewers follow along, especially if your content is detailed. Let's quickly cover some of the best practices for using dynamic captions. First, make sure your captions are easy to read. Use clear fonts, good contrast, and avoid overcrowding the screen. Next, timing. Timing is key. Captions should sync smoothly with your audio and highlight key words at the right moment. And if you're wondering how to create captions, tools like CapCut Pro, Adobe Premiere Pro, and Camtasia are excellent choices for making high-quality dynamic captions. So there you have it. Whether you're posting on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, or even hosting webinars, dynamic captions are an absolute game changer for boosting engagement and increasing views. Start incorporating captions into your content today and watch the engagement soar. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and share it with other fellow creators. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.